Hello, Consensus Distributed attendees. We are sorry that we're unable to meet in person this year in New York and hope you find content in our virtual booth to be useful. Every year at Consensus, our case studies are one of the things we hand out if you visit our booth, and they're a great way to learn about enterprise blockchain and Hyperledger. So let me highlight 5 case studies available from our website that include many details that I think you and your teams would find useful. One of our newest case studies is Honeywell's Go Direct Trade. It's a marketplace for used aircraft parts that has already seen over $4 million in sales, with over 50 vendors participating. This case study outlines how trust and reduction in purchasing time is providing benefits to the network participants. In this government use case with the government of British Columbia, Orgbook BC is highlighted as a system that has over 1.3 million legal entities and over 2.4 million verifiable credentials, all using Hyperledger Indy. Walmart's food supply case study covering the Food Trust Network highlights some of the benefits that Walmart and its supply chain is already seeing in this production network that is enhancing transparency and traceability in the food system, both for consumers and the farmers producing it. In the healthcare payments industry, Change Healthcare has been a leader in the space and has built and tested a claim processing network that has shown improvements in the claims lifecycle. It has also reported the capability to handle up to 50 million transactions a day. Supply chain use cases for blockchain are one of the most advanced, and Circular's Conflict Mineral Mine to Manufacture case study highlights how they've been using Hyperledger Fabric since 2018. Other Hyperledger member case studies are available on our website, or you can simply click on the link at the bottom of this YouTube video. We also encourage you to submit your own case studies to the Hyperledger Blockchain Showcase. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to your feedback.